Google just made it possible for a solo operator to build an entire landing page and automated follow-up sequence in under 30 minutes without paying a single dollar for funnel software. And the tool doing this is Google AI Studio, completely free, built on Gemini, and most people watching this video have no idea it can do what I am about to show you. At the end of this, I am going to give you the exact prompt structure that makes the output look like a professional deliverable every single time. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James, and I help solo operators and freelancers turn free AI tools into actual client income without the subscription stack weighing them down before they have made their first dollar. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is what nobody tells you about funnel builder platforms. Most of them charge $197 a month, and the way the pricing works, you are paying that whether you have 1 client or 10. You are paying it before your first invoice arrives. You are paying it while you are still figuring out if this whole service business thing is even going to work for you. That is the subscription tax. You hand over your card details and hope the revenue catches up before the billing cycle does. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $300 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Google AI Studio matter. Google AI Studio gives you access to Gemini for free. And what most people do not realize is that Gemini can write landing page code, design follow-up sequences, and structure lead capture workflows without you needing a drag and drop builder at all. This is what I call the free funnel stack. You are using prompt engineering to replace paid infrastructure. The output is clean HTML and CSS. The follow-up logic is clear and repeatable, and the entire system costs $0 to run. Let me show you how this actually works. You open Google AI Studio. It is free to access with a Google account. You are going to use a structured prompt to tell Gemini exactly what you need. The prompt has 3 layers. First, you define the business type and the offer. Second, you describe the landing page structure, headline, subhead, call to action button, lead capture form. Third, you tell it to generate the HTML and CSS in one clean output. Gemini processes that and gives you code you can copy and paste into any hosting platform. Here is what that actually looks like for someone running lead generation campaigns for local businesses. 1 prompt, 5 minutes of input. A complete landing page built for a roofing company offering free roof inspections. The headline speaks directly to storm damage. The form captures name, phone, and address. The call to action button says, schedule your free inspection. That page used to require a funnel builder subscription or a freelance designer charging $300. With Google AI Studio, it takes 1 session and costs nothing to run. That is a $400 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let me keep building this out. Now you take the same approach and apply it to the follow-up sequence. You tell Gemini to write a 3-email sequence for leads who fill out the form but do not book an appointment. Email 1 goes out the same day, thanks them for requesting the inspection, and asks them to confirm their preferred time slot. Email 2 goes out 48 hours later if they have not replied, reminds them the inspection is free, and gives them a direct booking link. Email 3 goes out 5 days later, reframes the offer around the risk of waiting too long after a storm. Gemini writes all 3 emails in under 2 minutes. You copy them into whatever email tool your client already uses. Most funnel builders lock this sequencing behind their paid plans. Here it is a free prompt. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first or it looks amateur. Give me 60 seconds. The gap is in how the landing page actually gets hosted. You can build the cleanest HTML in the world, but if you send your client a block of code and tell them to figure out hosting, you lose the sale. Here is what you do instead. You use a free hosting platform like Netlify or GitHub Pages. You upload the HTML and CSS file Gemini gave you. You get a live URL in under 5 minutes. Now, when you pitch the client, you are not selling them a promise. You are sending them a link to their actual landing page already live on the internet. That is the difference between a service someone might try later and a service they buy right now. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Think about a local HVAC company running Facebook ads to a generic contact form on their website. Half the leads never convert because there is no follow-up. You walk in with a custom landing page built specifically for their summer tune-up offer. The page speaks directly to rising energy bills. The form is short: name, phone, zip code. The follow-up sequence runs automatically through their existing email tool. You charge them $500 to set this up and $50 a month to manage it. The landing page took you 30 minutes to build using Google AI Studio. The follow-up sequence took 10. Most funnel builder platforms charge the same monthly fee you are collecting from your client just to host that one page. Your version runs on free infrastructure. Here is another angle. Web design clients. Small businesses need landing pages for lead magnets, seasonal promotions, or service-specific offers. Most web designers either build those pages manually in WordPress or use a page builder plugin that adds weight to the site. Google AI Studio lets you generate clean, standalone HTML pages that load faster than anything built inside a CMS. You can charge $300 per landing page. The tool gave you the code in 5 minutes. The client sees a professional page with custom branding and a clear call to action. They have no idea it came from a free prompt. And because the page is not tied to a subscription, you are not carrying overhead every month hoping the work keeps coming. And here is the thing that changes once you run this for a few clients. You start building a library. Every prompt you write for Google AI Studio can be saved and reused. The roofing inspection landing page becomes a template. The HVAC follow-up sequence becomes a template. 6 months from now, you are closing deals in under an hour because you already have the framework built. You just swap the business name, adjust the offer, regenerate the code, and send the client a live link. Most funnel builders make you start from scratch every time or charge you per funnel. This stack scales without adding cost. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The exact prompt structure that makes Google AI Studio output look like a professional deliverable every single time. You start with this line: generate a complete landing page in HTML and CSS for a business type offering specific service. The page must include a headline that speaks directly to primary pain point, a subheadline reinforcing the value, a lead capture form collecting specific fields, and a call to action button labeled specific action. Use brand colors and ensure the design is mobile responsive. That structure forces Gemini to give you clean, usable code with no fluff. Most people just ask for a landing page and get something generic that needs heavy editing. This prompt gives you a finished product in one pass. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are pitching lead generation to local businesses. Every pitch includes a live demo page you built in under an hour. You are not selling the idea of a funnel anymore. You are showing them the funnel already built for their business. The subscription overhead that used to eat into your profit before you even landed a client is gone. The tools you are using cost nothing. The clients you are closing see a finished product, not a promise. This is what leverage looks like when you stop paying for software you do not need yet. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.